I love this simple recipe. It's excellent starter side on a hot summer day. It's entire dinner for me. The filling is delicious by itself and baked with peppers. It's even nicer. Important thing here is to make sure you have enough tomatoes and oil in a filling so it's moist enough. And otherwise, it's difficult to go wrong here. We have some gorgeous peppers here. Breadcrumbs are the base of my filling, but of course you can use quinoa, couscous, brown rice, anything here. Breadcrumbs are easy. I have lots of them, need to use them. I would say 1 heaped tablespoon per pepper. It's actually my homemade breadcrumbs. Really nice, very easy to make, no effort, out of old bread, which otherwise I would have thrown. Paprika, good teaspoon. Allspice, half a teaspoon, a little bit of chili flakes and some oregano. Or use within reason, of course, some others, herbs, spices, whatever you have at hand. Spring onion. Just this little bit. Some lovely fresh parsley. I chop it very finely together with onion. If I would have fresh basil, would be also very nice. I would use 1 garlic clove per pepper. But since those are very large, I will use only 3. So here I have a feta type of cheese, quite creamy and sort of crumbly. So I'm going just to crumble it with my fingers. Quite a gorgeous cheese. Feta is my favorite cheese anyway, my go-to, absolute favorite cheese of choice. Good feta is even better. I'm going to add some tomatoes to make the filling a bit juicy. All that little pile of tomatoes will go in. We got to add enough tomatoes so the filling is moist enough and everything binds together. Good amount of olive oil. The more the better. Final good mix. You can't go wrong here. It's a classic combo. Feta, tomato, bread, garlic, parsley, olive oil. I can eat all of it. It's very delicious. It will mix with pepper juices in the oven. It will become even nicer. A little knife at the ready. I want to keep those green beets. They look quite pretty, I think. I think I'm gonna keep them. So I just cut it along, usually with the tip of the knife. Kind of loosen the piece with the seeds. There it is. And I'm just trying to remove those membranes and then shake the seeds off. If the few seeds are still there, it's not a big deal. I'm going to oil this pan, of course. Our filling is quite intense and strong tasting, so I'm not filling my peppers up to very brim. I won't be too upset if some of that filling will be left behind. And it did. And I cover in oil each pepper. Cut size up. A bowl of mozzarella. So I stuff mozzarella mostly along the cut, so when it melts, the whole thing looks nice and appetizing.